OneBox consists of over 192 individual parts, which are all checked according to predefined criteria before being released for the assembly line. Optimized diesel emission fluid mixing, preventing crystallization failures, improvement of back pressure, optimized flow and relocation of SCR inlet temperature sensor to allow for more accurate readings. These are just a few out of many examples where Dinex utilizes the OEM design experience to outrun competitors. All templates are constantly checked with a 3D measuring system to ensure critical dimensions are compliant to CAD design. No freehand work. All assembly steps are governed by go and no-go jigs to prevent incorrect fitment. For the last step, all OneBox units are pressure tested to ensure leakage is within industry benchmarks. Finally, all OneBox units are packed and delivered in robust wooden frame enforced boxes, protecting it from any transport-related damages.
And last but not least, it's made right here at our Dinex production facility in Dublin, Georgia, by me and my colleagues. So what are you waiting for? Place your order now. We are ready to deliver.